To talk back, cevap qaytarmaq, kobud şəkildə. Preach it. Don't talk back to me. To talk someone into something, razı salmaq, уговорить. She talked me into going to the party. To talk someone out of something, fikrindən daşındırmaq, отговорить. He talked me out of quitting my job. To talk over, müzakirə etmək, обсудить. Let's talk it over. To talk through, addım-addım izah etmək, объяснить все детально. Can you talk me through this? To talk down to someone, özünü yuxarıdan apararaq danışmaq. Разговаривать свысока. Don't talk down to me. To talk someone down, sakitləşdirmək, успокоить. She talked him down. To talk big, lovğalanmaq, хвастаться. He talks big but does nothing. To talk sense into someone, ağıl qoymaq, вразумить. Try to talk some sense into him. To talk things out, danışaraq həll etmək, разрешить все разговором. Let's sit down and talk things out.